Alright guys, today we are going to be working on shindaiwa eb802rt. So it's got fuel line issues, so we're just going to do the fuel lines on it. I think the primer bulb's alright. Covers, yeah, primer bulb's alright. Cover's missing screws, but it looks like it's broken out. I'm gonna figure a way to zip tie that down on it. I don't have one of these covers, and he needs this back. Fuel lines are disconnected, but they're dry rot, so they're just toast. So we're just gonna do the fuel lines on this. This one's alright, return line, but we're gonna do it anyways. Any of the parts I use, I'll put in the description below. I'll find a complete kit for this, even pop it in there if I can. Just get your screwdriver down in there, just kind of pry it up just like that. Pull this on out like that. We're going to remove the fuel line, just pull it right on out of it. Same with the return line, just pop it off that nipple. Cut the tip of the new fuel line to a point, stab it through the grommet. We're going to pull it through enough to where it would sit on the bottom middle when you stab it in this hole. So, you know, just kind of line it up and you know it'll sit on the bottom middle. Cut the tip off of it, stab the filter on it. And new line on the return line, stab it right onto the nipple. Get through this plastic thing and then stabbed it on. That way you know it's the return line. Then we're going to take, shove the filter in, make sure it works its way to the back. And then we're going to just push it down in, the grommet back down in. If you have to, you can take a flathead screwdriver and wedge it down in. Just force it down in like that. Alright, nipples. This is the important part. So this one that's not going through the plastic is the one that goes to the filter. That's going to go to this nipple right here. It's the bigger one, barbed nipple. We're going to cut it to size and stab it on it. Just like that. And then the same with the return line. That's going to go on this nipple here. Cut it to size, stab it on it. Just like that. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to prime it up. Make sure we got it hooked up right. Alright, it's priming. We got it hooked up right. If it doesn't prime, look in here. If you see foam coming out your filter, you've got these two backwards. Flip them around. Also, make sure you don't have too much line out, because if it hits the other end and comes up, it won't get the gas out the bottom. You want it in the filter in the middle on the bottom. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this one. Pretty simple job changing the filter and lines on the Shindaiwa eb802rt. This helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.